Hey, what's up? I'm Kit Killing Over, and you're on my page. So that means that you should stop and watch what I'm about to sing. I'm about to sing Nature Feels by Frank Ocean. If you not have heard this song or Frank Ocean for that fact, that means you need to stop what you are doing right now at this second and think about it. And then after you get done listening to me, go find this song and go look up Frank Ocean because he is an amazing singer. Like, comment, do all that good stuff. Yeah. That's really it. Oh, Smokey, if you see this, if you put this on Facebook, I'm gonna kill you. But I hope you enjoy. I'm a little sick, so work with me. Okay. Bye. Oh yeah, I've been meaning to fuck you in the garden. Been breathing so hard we both could use the oxygen. Just hop on my back, I'll take you down the stairs. Into my backyard and lay you right on the grass. Give it to you over again, over again, over again, over again. So making love underneath the cherry leaves, baby girl. Tell me how my nature feels. Say, oh, baby. Up against the cherry tree, baby girl. Give it to you naturally, naturally. You're feeling like Adam when he first found out this existed. Me and my Eve trying out our first position. And it's all good, and it's all free, and it's all you, and it's only me. Playing in the dirt, wrestling myself inside you. Give it to you over again, over again, over again, over again. So making love underneath the cherry leaves, baby girl. Tell me how my nature feels. Say, oh, baby. Up against the cherry tree, baby girl. Tell me you naturally. How can you want? How can you, man? Do a wild thing in a wild land. Keep going, baby. Keep getting, baby. Keep getting, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah, yeah, bang, bang, girl, your heart goes, bang, bang, down my heart goes. Well, that's basically the end of the song. So, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. But, yeah, like, comment, subscribe.